The ridges enter from one side of a finger, form a curve, and then exit on that same side. A. Accidental whorl. B. Loop. C. Arc. D. Whorl. Answer B. Loop. When is fingerprint ridges formed? A. First to second month of fetal development. B. Second to third month. C. Third to fourth month. D. Fourth to fifth month. Answer C. Third to fourth month. It is the process of automatically matching one of many unknown fingerprints against a database of known and unknown prints. A. Minutiae. B. Automatic fingerprint identification system. C. Exemplar. D. Electric recording. Answer B. Automatic fingerprint identification system. A. Basic fundamentals of fingerprints, which says that fingerprint never change. A. Individuality. B. Permanence. C. Static. D. Variable. Answer B. Permanence. The basic fundamentals of fingerprints say that no two fingerprints are alike. A. Individuality. B. Permanence. C. Static. D. Variable. Answer A. Individuality. One of the characteristics of a ridge, the point at which the ridge terminates. A. Ridge ending. B. Bifurcation. C. Dot. D. Island. Answer A. Ridge ending. The Y-shaped split of one ridge into two. A. Ridge ending. B. Bifurcation. C. Dot. D. Island. Answer B. Bifurcation. It refers to the feet and toes. A. Palmar. B. Plantar. C. Exemplar. D. Latent. Answer B. Plantar. It refers to the fingers and palms. A. Palmar. B. Plantar. C. Exemplar. D. Latent. Answer A. Palmar. It is an impression left by the friction ridges of a human finger. A. Dermatoglyphics. B. Latent print. C. Friction ridge. D. Fingerprint. Answer D. Fingerprint.